Classic Auto Mall is best known for having more than 1,000 classic and collectible vehicles for sale under one roof and our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. But sometimes we get some amazing cars that are here for display, and this is one that's been touring the country and making appearances at auto museums and was recently at the incredible Simeon Museum in Philadelphia. It's a 1962 Volkswagen Type II bus that is a replica of the famous light bus that appeared at the Woodstock Festival in 1969. In fact, this bus was restored and painted by the owner of the original bus who drove it to Woodstock back in '69 and was built to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the festival. The bus was originally painted in 1969 by artist Dr. Bob Hieronimus and was restored in 2019 for the 50th anniversary of Woodstock and has been touring the United States. The original mission of the bus was to spread the benefits of meditation using light meditation and to teach the message of love and service to all who see it. At the festival in '69, they were able to gain access to the Woodstock grounds even after cars were being turned away by saying the van was part of an art exhibit. Parked to the left of the stage on the hill provided a great place to watch the show, and this is where the famous picture was taken by an Associated Press photographer. For more information about the Classic Auto Mall location and hours, visit classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.